Hi there, Woods Creation with a how-to video on how to sort out your OneDrive on your tablet to store its files on the SD card. On the new Windows tablets, I'm using a Lynx 8 here. Once you put Windows on and a couple of users and their apps, you quickly fill up your C drive. But OneDrive will not let you store its files on the SD cards anymore, like they used to do in Windows 8. And if you try anything, let's go down there. Yeah, so if you go into settings, there's no way to move it. But there is a way to move it, of course. Otherwise we wouldn't be here, would we? So make sure that your SD card is formatted to ntfs file system. You could just leave it as default, but make sure that you change it to ntfs and not FAT32. So what we need to do is we need to mount that as a folder on Windows. So if you double click on Windows to open it up, create a new folder, and I shall call mine the OneDrive files. So just got a folder there, and we're going to link the empty SD card to that. You can still install your other stuff on your SD card afterwards. I've only got a 32 gig one here, so I'm just going to use it for OneDrive for the users for now. But yeah, so make sure you've got the ribbon open by clicking it down like that, and that you're in desktop mode and not tablet mode. And then we can click on the Manage button here. It'll take a while to load up the services. And then on Disk Management, come on, load up. So then we've got the removable disk here. So I'm just going to right click on this bit here, change drive letters and pass. And yeah, so you got that now, which is, it's at D already. We need to add mount in empty NTFS folder, which is why we formatted it as NTFS. And then just open it, find your OneDrive files. Okay. So that's it for that. That is now sorted. If we go in here, it's now got a little mount, and I think that's the little SD symbol there. I can't see, it's too small. Anyway, that's done. So now we need to kill OneDrive. So exit it, close OneDrive. It's gone. And let's just make sure it still hasn't opened. Yeah, it's dead. So I'm going to delete the OneDrive folders. Actually, I'm going to do it in users. There, that one. Delete. And they're gone, so I don't have any OneDrive anymore. Okay, so now if I go to apps, all apps, and find OneDrive. OneDrive is running. Add files. There. We couldn't find the location of your OneDrive folder. Oh no. Okay. So we need to sign in. Right, signed in. And now it says here, change your OneDrive location. So I'm going to change it to, where do I go? This PC, Windows, OneDrive files. Okay. Next. And yeah, I want to sync everything. It's still saying it's on the C drive, but don't worry. Your OneDrive is ready for you. Open my OneDrive folder. Yeah. So let's go. Oh, crikey! Come on, let me close it. What's going on? Thank you. So now, if you go there, click on Properties. There's nothing on it yet because it's still syncing, isn't it? Okay, let's close that. And if I open up OneDrive, it's still syncing. Let's try that now. There you go. It's got some of the files down from OneDrive. So yeah, basically that's how you do it. You go into disk management and you assign a drive letter. No, you don't. You assign a folder for it, which you put on Windows C. And what it's basically doing is, because OneDrive is not allowed to be installed on anything but Windows, you're cheating it and telling it to go somewhere else. And then you can add folders for other users in the main user account, the administrator, and then I think you could just go into those other users' accounts and do the same process for their OneDrive folders. Yeah, should be all right. But obviously, you now have more space on Windows to install more apps or games, you know, and you can free up your hard drive and download your files. I've been Woods Creation. I hope this has helped you in any way. If you like my video, please subscribe or leave a like, and come back next time for more. Thanks a lot.